Hey everybody, Sarah here with the Green Executive.
Your insurance agent won't want you to hear this.
Oh my gosh, what?
Sarah, we talk
What's
about
the secret?
saving money. We talk about ways where we can try to negotiate our pricing down with our vendors. And in our Profit First for Landscapers group and with our clients, we talk about ways how you can possibly negotiate with your insurance agent your premium costs.
Okay, you say that, but what do you mean? How do you actually do it is the question here.
It's really quite simple. You call the agent, you tell them, hey, I'm really thinking about shopping out my insurance to see what other options I have. Can you go ahead and provide me what coverage I have? And I want to look around and see what other options I have. And many insurance agents are actually brokers and they have other options in-house as well.
So I think that's one of couple points that you made there was, one is you got to just be willing to put yourself out there and make an effort to reach out to your agent if you don't already have them reaching out to you, and be willing to say, hey, I want to work on this. I want to work on these prices. What are you offering me? Is the insurance you're offering me working best for me too? So a couple things, like if you're going to shop it around, make sure you're comparing apples to apples,
Yes.
which may not be the case all the time. So make sure you're getting the coverage that you really need and deserve. First of all. Second of all, if you're comparing that coverage, make sure you're comparing the same coverage amongst different lines, because it's easy for them to tweak things here and there. So you don't want to say, well, this one's way cheaper, but I'm getting less coverage.
Well, another thing is too, is as your equipment and things like that you're insuring, for instance, if we're looking at your commercial equipment insurance, that equipment gets older over time. So maybe you want to consider raising your deductible a little bit. It's always a trade-off, and there's a way there as well that you might want to look at. It's just an option.
So number one, get an appointment on your calendar and reach out to your agent. First of all, make a point personally to do that. That's number one. Number two is explore the coverage you currently have. Is it the coverage that you still need? Is it serving you and your business well? Number three is take that coverage and shop it around, compare it. So that way you can compare, this company offers this company offers that, and here's what we can do for you.
Most recently, we asked our current provider, and he was able to find credits, and we got $3,000 of a credit back. I don't really know exactly how that works, but that's something to ask and something to look into.
Right, so just, don't take it as status quo. You have options, and that's the whole point. You have options and you have things that you can leverage as your business changes and your needs change. Make sure that what you're purchasing for the company is serving you.
Take care, everybody. Have a good upcoming weekend. We'll talk to you next week.
Bye.